Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to see all your saved Wi-Fi networks using CMD on Windows. So first you have to go to search and write CMD. Open it. Okay. So I'm going to share all of this information on the YouTube description below. First copy it. Then come to the CMD and paste. This will show all of the Wi-Fi networks this laptop been used to and stored. So these are all the names. Okay, so the next step is the password. So here you have to copy this, and instead of home Wi-Fi you have to change it with the actual name of the Wi-Fi network. So for example, we're going to do this office care. So office, then it's with capital C. Okay, so now we have to copy it, copy, and then paste and press enter. Okay, so it will give us a lot of information about this Wi-Fi, but the thing that you have to find is key content. So this is actually the password. So for this case, this is the password. So this is the key content, which is the ransack care. So if you want to see your password this way, you know the tutorial now. Follow it. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.